The F-18 Hornet is a legendary fighter aircraft that has undergone significant evolution since its inception. Developed by McDonnell Douglas and later merged with Boeing, the F-18 Hornet made its debut in 1978. The initial purpose of the F-18 was to replace the aging A-4 Skyhawk and A-7 Corsair II aircraft in the U.S. Navy's fleet. The first prototype of the F-18 Hornet took its maiden flight on November 18, 1978, marking the beginning of its evolutionary journey. Initially known as the YF-17 Cobra, it was later adopted by the U.S. Navy and designated the F-18 Hornet. The F-18 Hornet's unique capability as a carrier-based multi-role fighter made it a highly valuable asset in military operations. The F-18 Hornet possessed the ability to launch both air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles, providing it with versatility in various combat roles. The first variant of the F-18 Hornet was the F-18A, which entered U.S. Navy service in 1983. The F-18 Hornet was capable of short takeoff and vertical landing, STOVL, making it suitable for operations from aircraft carriers. It has been deployed in numerous conflicts, including Desert Storm, the Bosnian conflict, and the Afghanistan campaign. The F-18B was a two-seat variant primarily used for pilot training and combat training. The F-18C was an upgraded version with advanced avionics and enhanced combat capabilities. The F-18D, also a two-seat version, was utilized for strike and ground attack missions. The F-18 Hornet's export variants, such as the F-18EF Super Hornet, have been adopted by numerous countries around the world. In 2019, the U.S. Navy began replacing older F-18CD variants with the more advanced F-35C Lightning II. The F-18 Hornet remains in service with the U.S. Navy's reserves and continues to be operated by partner nations. The evolution of the F-18 Hornet exemplifies the aircraft's adaptability and continuous upgrades to meet modern military and technological requirements, ensuring its continued relevance and legendary status in the world of fighter aircraft. The F-18 Hornet is renowned for its agility and versatility, allowing it to excel in air-to-air combat, ground attack missions, and electronic warfare. Throughout its evolution, the F-18 Hornet underwent several upgrade programs to enhance its radar systems, avionics, and weapons capabilities. The F-18 Hornet has been extensively used by the U.S. Marine Corps, in addition to the U.S. Navy, as a carrier-based fighter. The F-18 Hornet's combat record includes participation in Operation Iraqi Freedom, where it played a critical role in air support and precision strikes. Its ability to carry a wide array of air-to-ground munitions, such as laser-guided bombs and anti-ship missiles, further solidified its reputation as a versatile strike aircraft. The F-18 Hornet family has spawned various variants, including the EA-18G Growler, an electronic warfare aircraft that can disrupt enemy radar and communications.